Hi there and welcome to the channel. Now, over the last few years, more people are moving away from meat, becoming vegetarians or vegans. Now, I'm neither of those, but I try and do my bit and reduce my meat consumption. So today, I'm going to be making a beef and cannellini bean lasagna, but actually a much reduced amount of beef, only 250 grams. So focusing more on the vegetables. So I hope you like it. Let's get on with it. So I hope you enjoyed that. I didn't go the full hog and go for a vegetarian lasagna, but it's still lovely. Lots of veg, cut down on the meat a little, but great taste. Real comfort food. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, and Hope to see you next time.